While we're cruising over beautiful Dorado County, I want to take a minute to thank my two newest public subscribers, Mo Butterfly 1 and Performance Heating and Air. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Greetings everyone, it is day 7 back on the build site doing the rebar, and today I'm just probably going to work on uprights so I can be prepared for when Carrie comes down later. I'm going to work on continuing around and try to get into the master bedroom area, and if I can be really productive, I'll get into the garage area over here. These will be a little more tricky because of the constant slope, so each bar will have to be a different height, so it'll take a lot of measuring and whatnot. And hopefully today I'll get some drone shots. I haven't flown that for a while, so we'll add those in on today's video as well. Let's get going. So this is actually the end of day 7.
Yeah.
This video will be a combination of day 6 and day 7. And in the last 2 days, we have installed 150 feet?
150
Yeah.
or so.
80 the first day, 70 today.
Yes, that sounds right.
Yeah. And we're almost all the way around the house. We've made it to the master bedroom. So we just have to come up along the edge of the garage and around the perimeter of the garage, and we will be finished with the rebar. So pretty happy. Things are moving along. And
it's a lot of work, and it's hot out here. It's hot. It's great when it's hot until you're working in it with no shade and no breeze. So how about time for a burger?
Burger sounds good.
And my new tool, my pliers are great.
Excellent.
Awesome.
With that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Greetings everyone. It is day 8 working on the rebar at the house build site, and today's goal is just to do the vertical bars, picking up where we left off over there yesterday. Carrie and I finished to there. So I want to get as many vertical bars all the way around into the garage and get all that finished, because I have some help coming next week. So I can do all that vertical stuff by myself, but it's a lot harder to hang the horizontal bars by yourself, because you have to go tie up one end, kind of come over, tie up the middle, and then tie up the other end, and then get it in the right place, and then actually snug it up. So it's a lot easier with two people. I don't have Carrie's help for the next week, but I will be on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday of next week. I will have Brian's help, so that'll be a very good thing. So we'll be able to have the rebar all knocked out and then get the other side of the wood forms put up. All right, so I'll get going. It is the end of day 8, and I will probably combine this video with day 9 because I didn't film anything I was doing today other than the intro. But I picked up right here in the corner of the master bathroom. I got all of this done all the way through to this corner, and then I started this next section of the bathroom and master closet area. But I also prepped all the way around through here, which is kind of actually, this is the closet here. I take that back. This is the closet area, in the stairwell area going up. And I prepped this section here to get the first few pieces in. So not a lot of progress working by yourself. Carrie was not available today. She had to go down and help her parents out with some stuff. So anyway, on to day 9. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.